ATI, what do you mean? Oh, a new restaurant opened up. Oh man. Let's go. Oh crap. I dropped my phone in the toilet. Ugh. It's so cold and under everything. Is this it? Nope. It's a turd. Wait. What's this? An igneous rock. Oh wait. That is also a turd. Ah wait, here it is. Dog. It's broken. Good thing I brought this bag of rice.